this run has no guns, no melee weapons, no health. All I can use are throwing knives, stealth attacks, and quick hacks. That's my whole build. This is a big man. Excuse me. That burger looks plastic. What is that? What are you eating? That burger looks terrible. And he's shoving his nose into it. Dude, this fat bastard. And of course he has just some ambiguous woman tattooed on his arm, and she looks like shit. Dude, this man's old. This man is like nutsack times 10. What the fuck's up with your face too? Okay, headshot. That was good. That was very good. Excuse me, I'm not a coward. There we go. Oh, another headshot. Ah, nade! That wasn't nice, lady. We're gonna see if we can actually cheese our way through here. Yeah, excuse me. Yeah. Hey, what's up? I'm just gonna park that right here. See, I have to somehow make it across. That looks promising. Oh, oh, you made it. I made it. Parkour. Parkour. Oh, wait, am I actually... I'm gonna actually be able to do it. Are you kidding me? Okay, I don't see the Cyber Psycho down here. What? It glitched. What? I don't think I was meant to be in here when this happened. Does that work? That worked? I can definitely cheese this one. But fun fact, if you didn't know this about Cyberpunk, parkour is actually easier if you have your hands out. Like, you grab onto things better. I think I can go onto this. Yeah, there we go. That'll make it easier. Okay. Whoo! That was close. Neutralize. Thank you for noticing her. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. It's the end of your days. I never expected. Grab. Shh. You didn't see nothing. Shh. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. You go to sleep now. No need wake up. It is quite simple. I killed you. Yes, you're dead now. I look at you as just your XP. I'm gonna have to bring him out. Yeah, that should do it. Oh, he tried. He tried. Got him, though. You ready for this? 1. On to the next. 2. 3. 'Wait for it. Wait for it. 4. Last but not least, the pièce de résistance. 5. Woo! Oh God! Excuse me. Excuse me. Just a little fender bender. Don't mind me. Insurance will surely pay for that. Excuse me. Oh, that was a civilian. Oh, they're very dead. I'm so sneaky. So very sneaky. There's nobody that could hear me now. Shh, shh, shh. all be over soon. Don't you worry. Ah. Yeah, we're definitely allowing grenades this place too. Oh. Oh, I missed the headshot on the first guy. Hit it on the second. Can I get my knife back, please? Pop it up. Just a little bit. Oh. Oh, why would you tease me? Why would you tease me? Were you waiting for that? Different strategy. They're all gonna die. Don't worry about it. They're not. No one's living here. Even me. It's all over. Oh! Sniped! Sniped! On! Fight! On! Fight! On! Want to play here? Let's play. Oh, snap. No. Whoever started shooting through a wall, that is not okay. Oof! Headshot. Wait for it. Oh! Una. Dos. Oh. Oh. No. No. That was very close. That was uncomfortably close. Give me my knife back. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, beautiful. Okay.